So it's almost time. I was wondering if you could do one last of them and be dragging them.
Oh, that'd be easy. Let's see if we can do that. There's nothing in there I'm gonna break it. So this gentleman left his backpack on the bus and then he phoned in a bomb threat and the bus number so-and-so is gonna blow up. So the bus driver got called, he stopped the bus, everybody got out, and the bomb squad sent the robot and they found that laying in the aisle. So Metro said, you know, that's $1 million bus, can you please not blow it up? All right, well, we'll do our best. Really, you know, property's not as important as a life, but if there was something in a place that could not withstand an explosion, let's say a hospital full of patients, I can't move all these critically ill people. So I would try to move the backpack.
You have insurance for this, right?
Insured? Yeah, we're self-insured.
Okay, good.
So it does, you break it, you buy it kind of thing.
Oh.
Oh. Turned off the video, didn't I?
It's back.
Oh, the battery died.
It's back.
So I can adjust the speed. If I'm impatient, I can set it up a little bit faster. It's only got 3 speed settings. It also controls the drive. If I was to hit the drive, it would scoot across the floor awful quick. I don't want to do that.
I can see that.
We've got this guy's backpack. I'm going to drag it off the bus. Now, if it was a bomb, I wouldn't really want to move it around too much or jostle it. Maybe it's activated, like picking it up and moving it. But if it did blow up, I'd be outside the bus. Now we're taking it to our safe spot. Just pick it up, put it in our bomb-proof container, and move it off-site.
You don't have any, do you have anything that, with enough dexterity that you can actually physically open something up and look at it?
It would be pretty difficult. We have tools we can mount on this one and the other robot that rip it apart.
Right.
We've got a kit for the other robot with sharp things on it.
You can, yeah, like cut it open.
Cut it open.
Inside of it.
It doesn't have the dexterity to do that.
I was wondering if you could hack the Baxter robot, which is basically kind of has the same sort of dexterity as a person. They're a lot cheaper, so you could use something like that to.
What would really be cool is if someone had like a glove that mimics your hand motion.
Yeah.
By hand.
Yeah.
The robot does the same thing.
Yeah.
With some of the applications of surgery are probably like that.
Yeah.
Would you fit, say, on that?
They have a robot that will drive on a vehicle,
Yeah.
inside the line, open the door,
Oh, I saw that
open
one.
the valve.
I don't know why I would use it, but I could mount on there.
Okay, cool.
I could remotely trigger it.
I might check that out.
There's 2 ports on top of the head. If I turn it around, you can see a little red and black one. You can trigger something remotely.
Okay, I was thinking they were video feed, but they're for external.
Yeah, they're for triggering external devices. That's good.
What's the weight load on that one?
It's not very much. It's that backpack right there. If I was to extend it all the way over, it would chip it.
Okay. 25 pounds.
Actually, not even that much. Let's just see.
Maybe a little bit more with
The flipper is already starting to turn. To go back to the flipper, now I got to push my menu to the drive mode. I noticed that it writes itself. But really, it can't hold much weight at all. That backpack probably weighs, what, 5 pounds? It didn't take much to get it over. If I took the arm out to the side, you could put the whole thing right over. This one doesn't have the ability to write itself. I don't have that version.
Do they have more like these that are more autonomous, that for instance would
Yes.
ride itself?
Yes.
That's probably newer, or a lot more expensive.
I saw a demo of one. They brought one here to Seattle last year for the National Tactical Officers Conference. It's the exact same robot with different software and some different options.